In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfavorite folders in Canva. If your favorites list in Canva is getting a little crowded, unfavoriting a folder is quick and completely safe. It won't delete anything or change who can access it. You're simply removing the star so it no longer appears in your favorites, helping you keep things tidy and focused on what you use most. Start on the main Canva dashboard. This is the home screen you land on when you open Canva. You'll see your recent designs, templates, and the main navigation on the left. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Projects. Projects is the central place where all your content is organized. Designs, uploads, and, most importantly for today, folders. Inside Projects, you'll find a section for folders. This is where your custom folders live, and where you can manage which ones are favorited. Favorited folders are easy to spot because they have a star icon associated with them. Typically, the star will look filled or highlighted when a folder is marked as a favorite. Scroll through your folders and identify the ones you want to remove from favorites. To unfavorite a folder, hover your mouse over that folder. As you hover, the star icon becomes interactive. Click the star once. The star will switch from filled to unfilled, or from highlighted to neutral, indicating that the folder is no longer favorited. That's it. You've successfully unfavorited the folder. The folder stays exactly where it is within your projects. It's simply removed from your favorites list, so it won't appear in places where favorites are highlighted. A few quick clarifications to keep everything clear. Unfavoriting does not delete the folder, move it, or affect any files inside it. It also doesn't change sharing settings. Anyone who could access the folder before can still access it. You're only changing your personal view by removing the favorite flag. If you change your mind later, you can favorite it again the same way. Just hover over the folder and click the star to turn it back on. If you don't immediately see the star on hover, make sure you're looking at your folders in the projects area and not inside an individual folder's contents. Also, keep your cursor directly over the folder name or thumbnail so the star appears. And that's all you need. Head to your Canva dashboard, open Projects, find your folders, and click the star to unfavorite any you no longer need highlighted. Simple, quick, and a great way to keep your workspace organized.